TNM staging of cancer. What is cancer staging? An important part of treating a patient's cancer is to first find out how far it has spread or what stage it has reached. And staging is a system that is used to classify the extent of cancer. This information is vital to decide what treatment is appropriate. When do you stage cancer? Usually cancer is staged at the time of diagnosis, and this may not be possible if the patient presents as an emergency. So after surgery, a pathologist studies tissue, the surgeon removed and assigned it a pathological stage. And in general, the pathological stage is the most important one in making treatment decision. So if the patient has come in an emergency or metastasis already, we can't categorize the staging. So only when the patient undergoing for surgery, that tissue will send for pathological testing, that is cytological report. From that only we will be checking the staging of cancer. What is the TNM system? It is a standard system for staging most cancer based on tumor, lymph node and metastasis. The American Joint Committee on Cancer developed the TNM system and maintains and updates it. The TNM system serves as a common language in cancer care. What is the TNM system? The T in TNM relates to tumor. It indicates tumor size, extent or penetration of the tumor. The N stands for node. It indicates the number of lymph nodes with cancer or the location of the cancer involved lymph nodes. The M stands for distant metastasis or spread of the cancer to other parts of the body. Different tumors may spread to different parts of the body. It is impossible to test whether the tumor has spread to other organs. And the patient can have tests such as computer tomography, shortly we will say CT scan, MRI, positron emission tomography and a laparoscopy to stage cancer. And after staging of the cancer, the patient and the doctor can then make a treatment plan. Common cancers using TNM staging. The most common cancers that doctors stage using the TNM system are breast, colorectal, stomach, esophagus, pancreas and lung. Other cancers staged with the TNM system include soft tissue sarcoma and melanoma. Staging system exists for 52 sites or types of cancer. Coming to the benefits of staging. First, it aids to planning therapy, and we can indicate the prognosis, comparison of results of treatment, facilitate exchange of information between treatment centers. Limitations of T staging. The main limitations are it's a crude system, tumor size not consistently related to prognosis, and it may debatable anatomical boundaries, can be difficult to accurately assess clinical extent, and sometimes it may be inconsistencies and omissions. Coming to the limitations of N staging. There may be an observable variability, that is the presence of nodal disease and size measurement. So the different pathologists may be measuring the disease in a different measurement. And no inclusion of immunological status. Importance of extracapsular spread and bilateral involvement implies better prognosis than N3, that is large nodes greater than 6 cm. Limitations of stage grouping. It attempts to increase the accuracy of staging, leads to greater complexity and hence paradoxically to more errors, and there may be an increased likelihood of non-compliance by the person responsible for staging. And there is an advances in method collecting and recording data will hopefully reduce these errors. Thank you.